Amongst the trees there is a tree, the leaves of which do not fall and is like a Muslim. Tell me the name of that tree. Everybody started thinking about the trees of the desert areas, and I thought of the date palm tree. But I felt shy. The others then asked, "Please inform us, what is that tree?" "O Allah's Messenger, he replied, "It is the date palm tree." Al-Hadith Bukhari Sharif, book number 1, hadith number 59.